Any case participant that is in the courtroom and an order has been established, modified, or any other issue that is resolved in the court process can go to the post-court order review office and discuss the terms of that court order or what ramifications occurred as a result.
When someone comes to the PCOR booth, I ask them for their copy of the order that it was just handed to them, and I bring up their case in the computer, verify their information, make sure we have all current information, and I explain to them what all it says on the court order.
At the PCOR office, you should expect to discuss with a child support representative your court order, the terms that have been ordered in court or outside of the court, any arrears payment you might have, any issues related to health insurance. They will also discuss with you how and when an income withholding order will be sent to your current employer, where and when to send your payments, and also how to get in contact with the Department of Child Support Services.
A participant would benefit from visiting the PCOR office by becoming more familiar with what's going on in their case, how they can make payments, and what went on in the courtroom, because they don't always retain everything that is said in the court hearing.
The non-custodial parent on newly established orders should start making payments right away. And the reason, again, is simply because there is a delay between the timeframes that our office is providing that wage assignment to the employer and them getting the wage assignment in their payroll system. If they don't initiate those payments right off the bat, then they will start falling behind, and there will be consequences with that. Those balances are reported to the credit agencies, and they will have an arrears balance.
Participants can make a payment at the PCOR office or at the Courthouse 6 by using cash, credit cards, a debit card, and check.
The PCOR facility is located at the downtown courthouse at 220 West Broadway. It's located on the 4th floor, the same floor that the courts are on, and it's simply just outside the courtrooms, right next door to the Superior Court Business Office.
Why you would want to come to the PCOR office is to educate yourself about your newly established or amended court order, and to learn that the Department of Child Support Services is there to help you with any change of circumstances that happen now or in the future.